Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to WhiteSec Online Security Organization. Okay. Let me tell you one thing in this class or in this course. Okay. I am just covering the basic thing about Android hacking. Okay. Yes, a basic thing. What is a basic thing here? See, first thing is you need to about metasploit, spade, etc. Okay, I will teach you how you can make metasploit payload persistence. Okay, how to bypass the Android antiviruses. Okay, uh, how you can easily. This is a I am just gonna cover only 5 to 6 videos. Okay, on basic topics, okay, which is very helpful for you. It is enough for them who are just trying to search for Android. Okay, how to hack the Android device, only for them who are searching for Android hacking. Okay, yes, there are you guys can see Android hacking in I just cover the basic things. Okay, yes, which is very helpful for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoy this series. Okay, this class. uh, okay, thank you.